Hello to everyone from RADE Garage. Today we would like to introduce you a completely new product. It's a Lite Kit for the KTM 690 Enduro. The Lite Kit fits exactly in between the fairing kit from RADE Garage and the OEM mask. The Lite Kit was designed completely from scratch to fit nicely the design of the KTM 690, but also to bring to the rider new functionality. The Lite Kit gives you the space and protection for any navigation design and improved wind protection. When we were designing the Lite Kit, the endurance and durability were very important parameters for us. That's why the material selection as well as the design itself is done in a way that the Lite Kit is as much crash-proof as possible. The dominant of the Lite Kit is the windshield. It was designed completely from scratch and it's using design of RADE Garage, so you cannot get it anywhere else. Yeah, you can see it nicely fit with the OEM headlight. It's tall enough to cover any navigation device and also protect the navigation device. For instance, when you go through the branches, somewhere in the wood. Yeah. It gives you also improved wind protection when you compare with the original mask. But on the other hand, it is still very compact. You can see the comparison here. Actually, this is next to the winning windshield from the RADE Galicia 2022. For the Lite Kit production, we used injected molding, which is exactly the same manufacturing technology as is used for any OEM windshields. Yeah. So it can have nice sharp design, but as well very nice rounded edges, compliant with the TIF. And the material is publicly known as Lexan. It's very flexible, yeah, and it's very hard to crack. And one more remark, on a video and your screen, the windshield looks way more dark than it is in reality. So once you get it home, you will see it's really very light smoke color. The design concept of the Lite Kit is very different from the fairing kit, because the Lite Kit is mounted directly on the triple clamps. It means when I turn the handlebars, I turn also with the Lite Kit. This concept, because it's more simple, enables us to reduce the weight and also the price. Behind the windshield, you can see this minimalistic aluminum tower made from 2 mm thick material. You can see the closed design that protects your cables and connectors and also ensure good stiffness. On the back side, there is nicely CNC milled backplate, 4 mm thick, that is mounted directly to the triple clamps of the 690, and it ensures great stability of the entire Lite Kit even in hard terrain. The windshield as well as the headlight are mounted on the silent blocks, so it is ready to absorb some of your crashes and increase the probability you will bring it home in one piece. To increase the performance of the OEM headlight, you will get from us in the Lite Kit the high-end LED bulb. With the Lite Kit you have enough space for any navigation device. Also, the navigation device is completely behind the windshield, so it's nicely protected against the branches or stones. Also, with the Lite Kit you have improved wind protection in comparison to the OEM mask. One more practical feature related to the wind protection. Now you can see the windshield and the cockpit is mounted in a lower position, but if you want to further improve the wind protection, you can mount the entire cockpit, including the windshield, 3 centimeters higher. As we said, the tower has a closed design, but we know from the customer feedback that it's very important for you, time to time, to access all the cables and connectors. For instance, to connect another GPS device or charging for your GoPro or iPhone or whatever else. So we design it in a way that there are 4 bolts you can see accessible easily from the side, and you can easily remove the windshield, including the headlight and the front cover. You disconnect one connector, this front is out, and now you can very comfortably access anything inside and add another connectors or do some changes, whatever you need it. But you can see it's very compact and minimalistic, and it does not bother the rider at all. Also, the weight was very reduced. All the Lite Kit will add only 1 kg on top of the OEM mask. And all that you can have for a very affordable price. As we travel ourselves a lot, we know how important it is to have the navigation device in front of you in a good viewpoint. That's why the Lite Kit comes with a white crossbar that is mounted on rubber silent blocks that reduce the micro vibrations going to your device. To simplify the installation of your navigation device to the crossbar, the Lite Kit comes with a platform, so-called Garmin adapter. It has 4 holes with the dimensions directly compatible with the Garmin cradle, RAM mount, carburetor holder, and many others. You can mount the Garmin adapter vertically or horizontally, so you always make sure your device is in the best viewpoint. Here you can see in the cockpit is enough space to place there either handset at Garmin, or big tablet 7 to 8 inches, and it is still nicely protected by the windshield. Every device needs a charging. That's why on the right side of the aluminum tower you can find the OEM socket, and you can easily connect your phone or any navigation device. Guys, let me summarize. The Lite Kit from RADE Garage will give you very light and compact cockpit with enough space for navigation, improved wind protection. And all that you can get for very affordable price. If you like it, please order on our eShop.